Understanding routine maintenance, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase in the English language: routine maintenance. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding this term can be incredibly helpful, especially in contexts related to work, daily life, or technology. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. Routine maintenance refers to the regular, scheduled tasks that are performed to keep equipment, machinery, or systems running smoothly and efficiently. The key words here are regular and scheduled. This means these activities are planned in advance and occur at regular intervals. Think of it as the regular checkups or servicing you might do for your car, computer updates, or even daily tasks like cleaning. The goal is to prevent problems before they happen, ensuring everything works as it should. To better understand routine maintenance, let's look at some examples. Vehicles: regular oil changes, tire rotation, and brake checks. Household: cleaning gutters, checking smoke detectors, and servicing heating and cooling systems. Technology: updating software, backing up data, and cleaning hardware components. These examples show how routine maintenance applies in various areas of our lives, highlighting its importance in keeping our daily operations running without a hitch. Routine maintenance is crucial for several reasons. 1. Prevents major problems. By regularly checking and servicing equipment, you can catch and fix small issues before they become big, costly problems. 2. Saves money. Regular maintenance might seem like an extra expense, but it actually saves money in the long run by avoiding major repairs. 3. Ensures safety. Keeping equipment and systems in good condition helps prevent accidents and ensures the safety of everyone involved. 4. Improves efficiency. Well-maintained equipment runs more efficiently, which can also save on energy costs. Understanding the importance of routine maintenance can help us appreciate the value of keeping up with these regular tasks. And that's a wrap on routine maintenance. I hope this video has shed some light on what routine maintenance means and why it's such an essential part of keeping things running smoothly in our lives. Remember, a little effort in maintaining things regularly can save a lot of time and trouble later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.